Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out this. It's called the Shower Caddy. You can put so many different things in here. Your soaps, your shampoos. You can even hang your soap on a rope and your loofahs and things right off the front here. This is a great product. It has a 6% grade that's going to allow water actually to drain out. And it is ventilated because we don't want a mildew covered razor or anything like that. So, adhesive backs. This is great for tile, glass surface, or maybe even a smooth wood surface and things of the sort. And yeah, it's really easy to mount. In fact, I'm going to do it right now. So folks, go ahead. You're going to want to pick this up. It was just that easy. All right, let's go ahead and check it out a little bit more. All right, folks, so it's just really nice how sturdy this is. You don't have to worry about putting a bunch of objects in here. Putting some of my wife's favorite toiletries and things in here. Her shampoo, her conditioner, her other shampoo, her other conditioner. Put that in there and you can see how much space there is where you can really load this thing up. So yeah, well, these aren't even necessarily shower items, but it's gonna show you that this thing is sturdy as can be. You can put a lot of stuff in here and you're not going to weigh it down. In fact, now I'm just looking for extra stuff to put in here. See how strong that thing is. So it's really nice how much you can fit into this, right? This is a nice and sturdy shower caddy, going to make a real difference. And it looks a lot better. In this case, this is the pool bathroom. And you can see it's better than everything just lined up on the edge. It's just nice. Adds a whole shelf that we didn't have before. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You absolutely won't be disappointed. My name's Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Now stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, let's go ahead and take a look at this fantastic shower caddy. It's space-saving and space-saving easy installation shower caddy. I gotta tell you that this is perfect for smooth tile, stainless steel, glass, mirror, smooth wood surfaces, and plywood even? What? That's crazy. So very nice design here. So one thing I like is that this is breathable. This is not a solid plastic bottom to where you're not going to get the mildew and water buildup and soap buildup. It's also got like a 6-degree slant just to keep water going out the back here. Just a very slight degree. It's not going to cause things to tip over, but it's going to keep your water from settling in here and it's going to drain out the back. So just a smart design there. Easy push. It's got adhesive pads. I'm going to peel the adhesive pad before I stick it. And the adhesive pad right under here that you're going to stick on the wall, push to get rid of any air, and it's going to stay just on perfectly onto, I'll probably put it on a glass surface. See, my wife and I are having a misunderstanding at the moment. She wants to put it underneath a counter and put all of her dishwashing supplies in it, and I want to use it for the shower for the video. And there's also, like, I don't know if we would get more use out of it in the guest bathroom or the main bathroom. There's so many different options. So this is a nice shower caddy. You can put a bunch of different things in here. It's large, it's sturdy, and with the adhesive suction cups, you're gonna be able to put a significant amount of weight in here. So yeah, I like that this is easy to use. You're gonna use it on a dry surface before use. Soak it, reusable, soak it in 90 degrees Celsius for a few minutes and let it dry, and you can reuse those suction cups. So I guess we'll see where it winds up getting its final destination in my house. But I'm very excited about it. Anytime you can get more storage that's tucked away is really nice. And that plastic is easy to clean, which we all know is great as well. Got a little bit of space from the wall. Got these 2 hook guys here, the suction cups, and you're good to go. It also has, you can not only can you set things in it, but if you've got like soap on a rope, any kind of loofah bars or scrubs, you can put those right there and hang them off of the front, which is a smart design as well. I don't think I have any of those, but I like that it is designed with so many different options in mind. Maybe even put your razor off there. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we love. We really like this one. Thank you for being a friend, going down that lonely road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. Thanks again for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.